IPG is one of the largest vertically integrated tape manufacturers in North America. Under our globally recognized Better Packages brand of water-activated tape dispensers, we've developed the Auto H2O series of case sealers. It's widely acknowledged a case sealed with water-activated tape is the most secure and sustainable closure method. It forms an adhesive bond that welds to the corrugate, reducing both damage and content pilferage. We are pleased to introduce the USA 2024 WAT Case Sealer, a user-friendly, operator-fed machine designed to apply reinforced water-activated tape to batched cases of the same size. Case size changeover adjustments are made easy with a slide and lock mechanism for height and crank handle for width. It features a throughput speed of up to 18 cases per minute, depending upon case range and operator dexterity. The USA 2024 WAT accommodates a case range from 5 to 24 inches in height and 6 to 20 inches in width. The machine comes standard with an HMI display for quick parameter changes and troubleshooting assistance. Our patented adhesive activation technology results in reliable tape wet down and reduces taping failures. Other world-class features consist of a powered tape unwind for consistent control and performance, the pneumatic indexing gate ensuring proper carton spacing, a unique clear jam button streamlining any malfunction or misfeed, a bottom roll carriage that slides out for simple roll replacement, 3 operating modes, top only, bottom only, or top and bottom taping. When you compare features, benefits, and value, the Better Packages Uniform Auto H2O is the right choice for operators, engineers, maintenance, and purchasing. Built to last with heavy-duty construction, our innovative case sealers combined with IPG brands of water-activated tapes provide a system solution that is unmatched in the market.